Hey ladies, today's video is going to be all about how to style flattering loose tops. And this is very similar to my no tuck tops video that I did. So if you want to check that out, I will link it at the end of the video. And I also want to let you know that we have memberships on the channel now, and we are providing additional style content there. So if you are interested in that, please check that out. And again, thank you for watching, and remember to love your neighbor and be kind. One of my personal favorite style tops is a looser peplum top like this because you get the loose and easy feel of it, so it's comfortable, but then it cinches the waist to create some shape. And I thought this one was a great option, and I like the shorter peplum so it doesn't come over the hips. And this one is from Loft, and I'm wearing my true size extra small, and I've styled it with a pair of flare jeans in white because one, the white brightens up the top a bit, and also the flare jean helps balance the little bit looser top. And I just think it's the perfect match to a peplum top. I always love putting my peplums with my flare jeans. And I also chose to put on a white sandal with these because it continues to help elongate the leg, which makes you look a little bit taller when you have the same color shoe on as the color of your pants. And so that's what I chose to do with this because I thought it created the most flattering look, although I do think you can pair other things with this top and make it look good. So this is one of the easiest loose kind of tops that you could buy, and it's because it has just this elastic waistband that creates a shorter hemline here, so it's not hanging down and you don't have to tuck it in, and it's nice and loose and comfortable through the body, and it just buttons down, and it does have covers on the buttons, and it looks really nice. And I love the little drawstring sleeves, and you can adjust that however you want to. So this is one of my favorite loose tops that I just want to throw on with everything. And this one's from Loft as well, and I'm wearing my true size in it. And I styled it with a pair of denim shorts because that is how I want to wear this top. I just want to wear it casually during the day, and I would want to throw it on with my mid-thigh denim shorts that have a little bit of an A-line hem to them. And I just think this is a really cute look. And then I put on my favorite Cole Haan sneakers that are wonderful, and they're very neutral, so they go back very well with the outfit. And you could wear sandals, but I really like the very casual kind of sneaker look with this outfit. And this is what I would wear kind of running around town. And I still think it flatters, but it's comfortable and looks very, very cute. This is such a good and flattering loose top because they've added this belt that cinches the waist, and it's kind of chunky and long, and I thought that was just so cute. And it has an A-line effect when you tie it, and I just thought this was something easy and versatile. And this is, you're going to be surprised by this, but this is from Amazon, and it's a look-alike to a We The Free item that's a little more geared towards athletic wear, but this one is a little bit lighter material. It's still somewhat of a sweatshirt material, but very good for summer and very comfortable. And I thought it looked good enough that you didn't have to wear it with just your athletic stuff. You could put it with some casual pieces and even dress it up a bit. So I wanted to show you that. And I'm wearing my true size extra small in this. And I did put it on with my wide leg yellow linen pants because I think the wide leg helps balance my shoulders. But I think you could probably wear any style bottoms with this because it cinches in the waist and it is so flattering. So you can kind of do you in this one, which I think is great. But I loved the yellow and navy together too, and that's another reason why I chose this, to have kind of a summery look. But I also chose a very neutral shoe because when you have two colors on like this, you don't want to add another color in the shoe. So I just went very neutral so they would kind of disappear. Now for a loose top that is not cinched in the waist, but this one is an eyelet pin tuck top. So you can see the folds here that actually bring in the material a bit, although it's still somewhat of a swingy fit. But I think the way it's styled with the V-neck and the puff sleeve and the ruffles and everything that's going on with this, I think is just adorable. And it's still flattering on the body, although it's super loose. And this one is from Amazon. It's by The Drop. And it comes in black and I'm wearing my true size. And I styled it with a denim mini skirt, which I loved it with this dark rinse. I thought the contrast was nice. And I think because the mini skirt is A-line, that it works really well to create very nice shape with a top like this. I would also throw on my denim shorts if I was running around in this during the day, and maybe some sneakers, but this gives you an idea of how you can make it look a little bit nicer. And I wanted to put on just a really cool shoe, and these are my favorite clear and gold sandals by Steve Madden, and they're quite trendy, but I think they're fun with outfits like this when you don't want to add too much other colors to it. I thought it was a perfect match. This is one of my favorite loose tops from Loft because of all the details. So the ruffled collar, and then it has the sheared material here that kind of swings out, but is still very flattering because the hemline is shorter, and it also has a cute puff sleeve with some ties. So there's a lot of cute details to this one, and the tie is also in the back here. So this is such a good top that could fit for many different things, and it's one of those tops that you can just throw on and go. And I'm wearing my true sized extra small in it, and I styled it with a pair of bootcut jeans today because I know a lot of people are still wearing jeans, and we're about to get into like fall transition type things, and I thought the boot cuts were nice and slim with a little bit of a kick out at the bottom. So I wanted to show you that with this top because I think it still creates good balance. And then I put on a gold sandal to go back with my gold jewelry, and I thought it was a really good match to the green and white top. But I would also wear this top with jean shorts and maybe even my linen white shorts. So I think you can wear lots of different things with this because it is a cropped length. Now for another one of my absolute favorite little tops from Anthropologie, and I love this because it's cropped in length and it has a lantern sleeve that I think it's not too poofy, so it's very flattering, and this fits so nice and it's so comfortable, and it is cotton as well. So it's one of those perfect little tops that you can wear just buttoned up as a shirt, or you could put it on over a tank. And I'm wearing a extra small in it, and I think it's just so adorable. And I have it on with some really loose straight leg jeans because I just wanted something slouchy on the bottom with this, because it's loose, but it's not so loose that you can't wear looser bottoms with it. And so I thought this was a great look, and this is how I would wear it. And it's just so comfy. I would also throw on some longer denim shorts with it, but I styled it with these cool red sandals that I got from Target, and I thought I needed red shoes with this as well to bring the red back in. And I just think these are so cute with the strap that comes over the toes, and it's got a little bit of a pointy toe to it. So it's very unique and cool and different. And these are very comfortable, and they have a lot of padding, and they're also bendable. So I thought this was a fun look and just a great way to wear some of these crop button-up shirts, because you're going to find a lot of these, and I just think they work, and they work very well with lots of different things. But if you want something for loose bottoms, try one of these style tops. I got so excited when I found this top at Anthropologie because I wanted a little bit more of a dressed up top for this video, and this one with the little bit of a shiny sheen to it I thought was beautiful. And then it has the mock neck that stands up a bit and it helps elongate the top half of the body. Then it's really loose through the body, but then tapers at the hip line. So I thought the shape was beautiful and easy and really comfortable. So I would absolutely wear this even more dressed up than I have it on now. And I am wearing an extra small in this. And I did put it on with a pair of double weave shorts that are actually the same kind of sheen that the top is. So I thought they were a great match if you want an outfit with shorts that's a little bit dressed up. And I just thought it looked really good together. And I think you could also wear pants or a midi or maxi skirt, but I would suggest keeping more structured and straight with this one since it is quite loose. And I think you'll have a good balance there if you do that. And I did finish the outfit with a pair of low heel kind of dressier sandals just to keep with a little bit of a dressier look. I have been so in love with these bubble hem tops this season because they just drape really beautiful, and they're also cropped, so I think they're very flattering with a lot of the higher rise jeans and pants and things that we have. And this one especially was so pretty because it has the halter style top and it has a satin finish, so it's a little bit dressier than some of the ones that I've seen, but it's also easy to style casually as well, like I have here. And this one comes in a couple of other colors. It's from Anthropologie, and I'm wearing an extra small. And I have it on with my high-rise crop wide leg jeans in an ivory color. And I thought this combination was so pretty. And I have found that some of the looser bottoms actually look really good with these cropped bubble hems. So I thought this was a perfect pairing for the summer. And then I put on my ivory flats that are a woven flat that are kind of an open weave, and they're a little bit nicer than if I were to put on like a sneaker or a flip-flop. So I thought this was a fun way to style this, and I wanted to show you this outfit with a flat since I'm 5'4", because I think the proportions are good, especially since the top is a little cropped even though it's loose. So just to give you some inspiration, if you were not sure what to wear these bubble hem tops with, they really do look good in outfits like this. This loose top might surprise you, but I love these sweater tanks. I think they are so fun and have so much detail, and they are quite loose on the body if you can find the right one. And then you can unbutton them a bit at the bottom and the top to make them feel a little bit more relaxed. And they are so incredibly comfortable and are very flattering because of all the details and just pretty and just easy to wear. And this one comes in a few other colors. I got it from Loft, and I'm wearing my true size, and I loved it paired with my poplin maxi skirt that is very full because it needs something either fitted or slightly loose, and I thought the slightly loose little tank here was a great fit, and it's even better when I opened it up. So it kind of goes with the A line of the skirt. So if you have a maxi skirt that's full like this that you have been trying to style, grab a little crocheted tank with it. And I also put on a white shoe to go back with a white top and just create some contrast again in my footwear. And you know, you can do black if you wanted to just elongate, but I thought the white was really cute and surprising, and I have loved white sandals, so I thought it was the perfect finish for this outfit. Now for an outfit with a loose top and a somewhat loose bottom, and I love this batwing style top from Anthropologie. It buttons down the front and it's made out of a really lightweight cotton, and I love that the sleeve is 3/4 and then it has this beautiful curved hem, which looks better than if it were straight across. So it just gives some good shape to the top and allows it to drape really nicely on the body. And it's so incredibly comfortable. You would want to wear this all the time. And I'm wearing my true size in this, but you could size down one size if you didn't want it so oversized. And I have paired it with some loose linen shorts, which I thought was a great pairing with it. And I don't want to get into too many styling tips, but if you follow the 1/3, 2/3 ratio, the rule of thirds is what they call them for your outfit. So I have 2/3 on the top and then 1/3 on the bottom. So it actually creates good proportions. And you can think about that with some of your shorts outfits. And some of these blouses actually look really good on and left out. And then you have your shorts that peek out. I think it's a really cute look that some people don't really think about. And I have it on with a pair of white sandals because I thought these were a great look with this outfit, but you could also put on a pair of sneakers and just wear this to run around town and look super cute. So I had to add some good color to this video because it's summertime, and I thought this sheer blouse from Anthropologie was gorgeous. I love the print over the sheer material. I just think it makes it light and bright. And this one is long sleeve and the sheer material is viscose. So if you need coverage on your arms, this is such a great blouse. And with it not being polyester, it's going to be way more breathable. So I was very happy about that. And I love all the details here. I just think it makes for a beautiful blouse that you can leave out, but you could also tuck this one in or even tie it and it will look really pretty. And this comes in a very beautiful hot pink if you're interested in that. And I'm wearing my true size extra small. And for the outfit, I decided to layer my halter tank from Amazon, which I love because it has a built-in bra. So I'll definitely link this if you're interested in something like that. And I opened the top up a bit because I would layer underneath this, but I wanted to purpose my layer as opposed to putting something underneath it because it was sheer. So I thought that was a good way to do that. And then I added this orange maxi skirt that is in a cotton poplin, and this is a little bit wider skirt. It's a little bit heavier, and I've left the top out, but I think it looks good because it's sheer, and it just doesn't overwhelm the skirt. It goes really well because the print has the same orange color in it. So I think I really coordinated and thought about my outfit, so it just came together really well. And then I added my cool clear and gold shoes to finish off the outfit. I hope you enjoyed all of those gorgeous loose tops and how to style them. And if you're interested in my no tuck tops video, I will link it here for you. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.